Good morning to all of you. Welcome to the CPC students. I am discussing part C. I don't know the paper, maybe 2011 also. It's also a very useful paper for you. The problem is like this. Brief facts. I did not see the problem. So the brief facts are like this. A and B got married at Vijayawada. They resided for some time in Guntur. Of course, Vijayawada, Guntur are nearby places. And the husband, that is A, did not care B, and he has left for Delhi, maybe on appointment or so. And the woman B came to her parents' house, which is located in Vishakhapatnam. Now, she wants to file a maintenance suit or for restitution of conjugal right, where she has to file 2011 case, question number 17 of 2011. Right. So here, if you read section 19 of the CPC, it will be very, very clear. So, and since it has come in this issue, I want to tell you, please read 198 CRPC also, particularly the woman, where they have to file the cases, like case of harassment, cruelty, all these things. Right, now let us confine to the CPC. The problem is relating to Maintenance Act as well as the restitution of conjugal rights. Restitution of conjugal rights, section 9 of the CPC, and maintenance may be under section 125 CRPC. Domestic violence, even CPC also gives relief for the maintenance. Right. Now the point is, so please read section 19 of the CPC. Now let us discuss the issues where she can file the cases. అక్కడ పోసారో తెలుసుగా. Section 19 of the CPC deals with suits for compensation for wrongs to the persons or mobile property. Here it's a wrong. So suit can be filed where the wrong was done or where the defendant resides. Right? So 198 also given, I told you, regarding 498, that is harassment cases. Right. Now, you need not go further. So, the focus is on restitution conjugal rights or for maintenance. So, section 9 of the Hindu Marriage Act deals with the so-called the attempt or a means of saving the marital life. And as an extension, section 23, which encourages the reconciliation by the court. But here, please remember, when the wife or husband withdraws from the company or from the society of the other person, yes, he may apply for divorce. Please remember, before that, you have to give the so-called notice under section 9 of the Hindu Marriage Act. Now, it is very clear that she can file the case where they lived together, that is where the cause of action arose. Where they lived together in Guntur. She can institute a case at Guntur. She can file a case where she is living at present, that is she can file a case at Vishakhapatnam. Third point, let us confine to section 19. Third point, where the defendant resides. Presently, the defendant is residing at Delhi. So you can file a case at Delhi. Now the reply should be, the woman can file a case in Delhi. The woman can file a case in Guntur where the incident took place, according to section 19 of the CPC. Right. So please remember, very famous case, Saroj Rani versus Sudarshan Kumar Chedda, 1984. So in this case, it has overruled the case of Sarita versus Venkat Subbaya. So section 9, Honorable Supreme Court stated that it serves a social purpose as an aid to the prevention of the breakups of the marriage, RCJ. Second case, T. Sarita versus T. Venkat Subbaya, 1983. So it is bodily integrity. They more have section 19 में Justice P.A. Chaudhary, Patipat Ankama Chaudhary of Andhra Pradesh High Court. He has given the beautiful judgment. Of course, it is overruled. So compelling for cohabitation would be an offense if the woman is not acceptable because bodily integrity. Right. So another case, Dr. Kulbhushan versus Rajkumari and another, 1971. Dr. Kulbhushan versus Rajkumari and another, 1971. So in this case regarding maintenance, Supreme Court said that deciding the amount of maintenance, it is determined on the facts of each case. Not, there is no specific formula, just like MV Act table. Right? So please remember, the Supreme Court said deciding the amount of compensation or maintenance, it depends on the facts of each and every case. But the general thing is, it will be fair to provide 25% of the husband's net income as maintenance. That is general direction given by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Second, Ravi Sethi versus Sunil Sethi, 2011. So, Delhi High Court ordered maintenance by whom? By wife, to pay to the husband at the rate of rupees 20,000 for showing cruelty towards him. And she has to return back the Jan car, Maruti Jan car, because husband has maintained her. Now she has become, I can say, a pauper, or he is not capable of earning due to her cruelty. Now she has to pay maintenance. So please remember, now the case can be filed anywhere at VSP or Visakhapatnam or Guttur or Delhi. If you write this much reply, it will be sufficient. To conclude, as I told you the conclusion also. That's all. You all know very well how to write the reply. Thank you.